Okay, so I'm going to show you a basic warm-up to warm your foot up when you want to do your body work, whether it is the self-massage or really this is primarily for the reflexology. So you want to take the blades of your hands and put them under your ankle bone and then just start rubbing. Let your foot, allow your foot to wiggle. Just allow it to wiggle. Yeah. And do it, you know, there's really not like a set time, you know, for this, but I would say at least maybe 30 seconds or so, just to, you know, just to get the foot warmed up. But go according to your guidance. And so I'm just going to do just a quick demonstration. I may not be doing it for actually 30 seconds, so to speak. All right, and then just twist your foot here, and that's a basic warm-up.